Hi, I'm Bones the Dawn, and let's make some fried chicken pilau. Alright, in a pot you want to put your chicken and you want to season it because we are going to need the broth for that sweet savory pilau. So I went ahead and put thyme, curry powder, chicken cubes, bay leaf, regular salt, and of course I went in with my garlic salt because I didn't want to put diced up garlic. It's going to overpower the flavor. And then I went and chopped up some 4 onions because pilau does not need tomato, I don't know. Now we are going to put this to a boil. I boiled this for about 15 minutes because it's improved kienyeji and it's usually very soft. I didn't want the skin falling off because I'm going to fry this chicken. You can see I also added some onion in there. Season it to perfection. And then there's a broth. There is the broth. It's gonna go into our pilau, and of course you're gonna add some water, but this broth is what makes the pilau sweet. And then you're going to separate your chicken from the broth and let the chicken cool down because you don't want to fry your chicken when it's still wet. Give it about 10 minutes to cool down and dry up a little bit. And now we begin the process by frying our onions till golden brown. I washed off my rice off camera and then I added it to my onions, and then we're going to season with the pilau masala, cumin, and all that to give that flavor, that sweet smell of pilau. And now we add our broth. Remember, it was seasoned and it also has extra onions and the bay leaf. I don't know what the role of bay leaf is in food, but I kind of just like putting a bay leaf, 1 or 2 in my food. And now we're going to turn our chicken from light skin to brown skin, if you get what I mean. That's a corny joke. I didn't mean it like that. Ish. See, now we have brown. Wow, look at that beautiful color. And the oil is not splashing because I'm doing this on low heat. And I put it aside to dry. I made this carrot chili sauce with onions and tomatoes, and I fried it. Look at how beautiful. And then I also made some kachumbari. No, this is not kachumbari. This is cabbage salad with onions, tomatoes, and mayonnaise, and carrots, of course. Oh, and then here's our masterpiece. Look at how beautiful the chicken looks. It's fried to perfection. Look at the rice, so beautiful, so tasty, smells so good. Alright, you guys, this is the end. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Keep coming for more because the food content is about to be lit. Alright, now bye.